Let's do this. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Um, I was thinking today would be a good day for one of my favorite practices, which comes straight from Buddhist traditions, metta, which is basically a compassion practice. So here's a cool quote: "Compassion is a verb. It is a movement. It starts in the center of your chest and radiates outward, touching everyone in its path, whether you know them or not." So I think the cool thing about this kind of compassion practice is it very much fits into this paradigm of just do the thing. Don't worry about the outcome. That's kind of all we really have at our disposal on a daily basis anyway, right? We have no control over what happens out there, what people will think, what the weather is, what happens politically. And so we're all really just left with, okay, I'm just going to show up. I'm going to do my thing. I'm going to do it wholeheartedly, um, with like clear intent, and then just trust that that is enough on some level. Now, whether or not it has the impact that we desire, again, that's sort of out of our control. But I think the cool thing is when we go through life with this attitude of just, I'm just going to keep showing up, do my thing, be kind, contribute as best as I can, it affects people in ways that, yeah, you have no idea. So it could be the people, the grocery store, at the gas station, or the stranger that you meet at the airport. You have no idea how it's going to affect them. And so it's really just about just trusting and settling into this place of, I'm just going to do my work and contribute in a way that feels good and wholesome to me. And that is enough. So, yeah, so let's spend the rest of our time doing that. So close your eyes. Take a couple of minutes to land right here, right now. See if you can notice the sensory experience of what it's like to be you sitting where you're sitting, hearing what you're hearing, feeling whatever emotions are present. And the goal is just to acknowledge all of that and make space for it. So letting go of any notions of, oh, I should be this way, or this would be better than that. It's really just like, this is what is right now. Maybe the body feels a little achy. The mind feels busy and distracted. There's another part of you that can kind of step in and say, yeah, and that's okay. Just let it be. In the same way that you're not responsible for how the body breathes right now, it's just doing its thing. You're also not responsible for what the body's sensing from the skin, your eyes, the inside. You're also not responsible for what the mind is thinking. It's just doing its thing. Just like the liver does its thing, so does the brain. And so just making space for all of it. Sounds really simple, but in my experience, depending on what's going on in my life, it can be quite challenging to do, to just accept, make space, to be with. And as we make space for everything, hopefully you can start sensing the okayness in this moment. The body's working. Our environment is peaceful enough and conducive to be able to be on this call, take some time out, just acknowledge that, see it. And then flexing our compassion muscles here. So think of someone that you love, someone you really care about, someone for whom it's really easy to experience this desire for them to be feel safe and whole, cared for. And picture them, feel them as you picture them sitting in front of you or doing what they do. And then from the inside out, see if you can connect with these wishes, these compassionate wishes of may you be safe, may you be healthy, may you be peaceful, may you be free from suffering. Just to be clear, this is less about them and more about connecting with where in our being those wishes live. It's really about just manifesting this desire, these wishes for this person that you love. Be safe, be healthy, to experience peace and a freedom from suffering. Notice where in your being those wishes reside and what it's like to imagine them radiating out to this person that you love. And then we can use this momentum from, it's probably easy for us to wish this for someone we really care about. And now imagine being in the presence of someone you don't really know. So someone who's kind of neutral. We have lots of people like this in our life. I walk my dog every day and I run into people, I kind of sort of know them, but not really. So find that person in your life. And then the same thing. Imagine just quietly on your own saying this to them. May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful. And may you be free from suffering. We have no idea what's really going on in their lives, their heartache is, what their wishes are, what their financial struggles are. It doesn't really matter. This is really about us just getting in touch with this part of ourselves that can sort of exude and radiate out this compassion. And just like this Amazon delivery driver, the clerk at the grocery store, I just imagine sort of zoom out in your community, in your town, and just picture hundreds, if not thousands of other humans walking around. They all have dreams, they all have hopes, desires. So now imagine wishing all of them well. So may you all be safe. May you all be healthy. May you all feel peaceful. May you all be free from suffering. Again, noticing where in the body does that live? What's the locus from which all of this radiates out? And then last, but certainly not least, is self, right? We are our own best friend in many ways, the companion that's been with you throughout your entire life. And see if you can use the momentum generated earlier to wish yourself well, capital S. So may you be safe, may you be healthy, may you be peaceful, and may you be free from suffering. We're just like our best friends. We're just like our neighbors. We're just like all of the other people in our community. We have wishes, we have wants. So why not be a source of compassion and kindness towards ourselves as well? And take a deep breath in. Long, slow out breath through the mouth. Relaxing the shoulders, the chest, the throat. Hold the exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And in and out. Just relaxing the belly and the chest, the hands. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do one more. In. Long, controlled exhale. Just letting go, just feeling back into the body. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just keep your eyes closed. Let the body breathe. This place from which this compassion and this love and this kindness emanates from, that whatever that locus is, probably in your belly or your chest somewhere. I think of that as home base. When I can remember to return to that place and connect with it, life seems to work itself out in a way that feels good and satisfying. Doesn't mean it's always going to happen the way that I want it to, but it just feels better. So hope that is the case for you. All right, everyone. Appreciate you. See you next time.